Hey lovely people, welcome to Susan's World. I have two businesses today. First, go to salon, which now it's a done deal. Then go to school, now on the way. Then later go to salon again. I want to have my lashes installed, lashes installation, and that's for the first time. So let's see how things will roll. But I'm hoping to have a good day. Hey guys, I'm from salon. Today is on a Saturday, so we must look beautiful, be beautiful, and we thank God that we can be able to do that. So I'm from salon. This is the outfit of the day. It's a bit cold, so I'm just having a pair of jeans, ragged jeans as well. Just a simple weekend outfit, and there is rain. God has blessed us this morning with rain. So I'm on my boots. Zimekuwa kwa shurak for a long time, but we thank God. So I'm going for Form 4 class. So I want us to go together. It's a girl class that I love, girls class. Now on a low key for a serious business, a very serious business.
I pray you trust the delay. I pray you trust the process.
Ni mwenye bidii sababu anafanya kazi hadi usiku. Sifa nyingine ya Kikwai ni ipi? Na tulitoka tu kutangulia kwayo. Mlezi mwema, ama pia amewajibika. Tunaweza sema ni mwajibikaji. Na tukileta sifa ya uwajibikaji, tuseme ya kwamba ametumika kulea mtoto vizuri na anatia juhudi kuona kwamba mtoto wake amepata chakula na mengineyo anayohitaji, sababu anaenda hata kukopa ili mwanawe asije akakosa. Sifa nyingine ya Kikwai ni ipi? Hakumficha na hakuona haya kuongea ukweli, sababu lilikuwa tatizo ambalo lilikuwa ni la shirika. I'm out of school now, waiting to do my lashes. It's my first time, of course I'm nervous. I don't know how they will be on me, but I hope they will look good. I don't know why I'm nervous. I don't know how sometimes I feel like, I leave it to next time. But this is the day. Let's see how it turns out to be.
I pray you trust the delay. I pray you trust the process. I pray you look back one day and say, thank God I didn't give up when I almost.
Umenipiga bonge la surprise, kanifanya mimi natamani na kupenda kutoka moyoni. You've turned my morning into dancing. Umenipiga bonge la surprise, kanifanya mimi natamani na kupenda kutoka moyoni. You've turned my morning into dancing. Umenipiga bonge la surprise, umenipiga bonge la
I thought the process would be tedious. I thought it would take a lot of time. Again, I thought it would be frustrating, bearing in mind it is my first time, but it was the very opposite. They were so precise. It wasn't painful, and I felt good, as if I've been doing that often. Look at that. I was just